In this video, I am going to show you how to create 3D animated videos with perfect lip sync and consistent characters from a single prompt, generate cinematic scenes using the latest video models, and control your character's movements and facial expressions, all inside one platform. The platform we will be using is called Clipfly AI. It is an all-in-one workspace that brings top-tier generation models into a single workflow. You can generate videos, create high-quality images, generate music, edit your clips after generation without needing another editing software, and even write powerful scripts that sound natural. It also includes a full library of trending templates, such as baby dance videos, that you can remix in one click to go viral. To follow along, I have left the link in the description below, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create long-form videos with consistent characters and perfectly synced dialogue. They recently introduced a new feature called the AI Movie Generator, and honestly, it is impressive. The custom storyboard option allows you to fully control your workflow, whether you start from an idea, a script, or a blank project. If you prefer letting the AI do the heavy lifting, choose one-click storyboard. You do not need complicated prompts. Simply type your idea in plain English, such as, "A young boy goes hunting with his dog," then specify the visual style, for example, 3D Pixar style. That is all it takes. You can also click here to refine your idea. Once your concept is optimized, click Generate Script. Your simple idea is now converted into a complete storyboard with structured scenes and dialogue. Here you can see each scene laid out clearly. This feature allows you to generate videos with accurate lip sync, similar to high-quality animated films. When the storyboard looks good, click Generate Visuals. In a short time, all scenes will be created. And honestly, the images look great since they are powered by advanced generation models, with characters staying consistent across every shot. You can delete any character or add a new one if needed. The next step is to convert these visuals into video without switching platforms or paying for extra tools. Click Create Video, choose Image to Video, then select the video generation model such as Kling 2.6, Seedance, and others. I will choose Seedance 1.5 Pro because it supports native audio. Repeat this for the remaining scenes. Make sure audio is enabled and choose a duration of 5 or 10 seconds for each clip. Take your time animating every scene. Alright, the videos are ready. Let us take a look.
Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime, buddy? Wow! Look at all these colors! This forest is amazing!
This is impressive. I have not seen many tools that can generate long-form videos with synced dialogue, and even when they exist, character consistency is usually a problem. This platform handles it extremely well. The final step is combining everything into one complete movie. Click Export and choose Export to Video Editor. If you are used to editing in tools like CapCut, Filmora, or Premiere Pro, the interface will feel familiar. All your generated clips appear on the timeline, and you can create subtitles if needed. Background music is added automatically, which you can replace with your own track. Make sure to lower the music volume so the dialogue stays clear. Once everything is set, click Export. Name your project and select the resolution. You can export up to 4K for sharper quality and even up to 60 frames per second. You can also choose different formats, but for video, we will select MP4 and export. Your final rendered movie is ready. Check it out.
Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime, buddy? Wow! Look at all these colors! This forest is amazing!
Honestly, it is perfect. And in case you want to manually create a long video by generating frame by frame, the image-to-video workflow solves that. On the home page, click on AI Image. We are going to first generate images, then convert them into videos later, which gives you more control over character consistency compared to text-to-video. Choose Nano Banana Pro as the image generation model for high-quality results, then describe the scene you want to create. I am pasting a detailed prompt for a warrior riding a horse across an open grassland. Select 4K for ultra-realistic output, set your aspect ratio, and generate. As you can see, the result is strong, especially the fine details. The facial expressions, physical motion, and the horse's legs clearly show speed, with dust particles rising from the ground. Now let us convert this image into a cinematic video. Switch to video generation and select Image to Video. Then choose a video model. Clipfly gives you access to top and recent models. So for this example, I am selecting Kling 2.6 for smooth motion and synced audio. Upload the generated image and make sure the file size is under 10 megabytes. You can use online image compression tools if needed. Then write a short motion prompt to guide the animation, such as sidetrack at matching speed, hooves pounding, dust plume growing thicker, cloak whipping violently, subtle handheld shake, cinematic speed ramp near the end. A stronger motion prompt produces more accurate results. Choose a duration between 5 and 10 seconds, then generate. The final video looks anatomically correct, with fluid motion and no visible distortion. I really like how the camera continues tracking him, the dust rises naturally, and the cloak reacts to the wind. Using this method, you can generate images, convert them into videos, and combine everything inside editing software like CapCut for a longer cinematic sequence. Since you are starting from images, maintaining character consistency becomes much easier. And here comes the crazy feature called AI Motion Control. On the home page, click on AI Video and choose Motion Control. For the first time, you can control your AI-generated character with realistic, natural body movement and facial expressions. Simply upload your character image. For example, I am uploading this giant Hulk character I created earlier on the platform, then add a reference video. You can also choose from the provided sample clips and generate. Look at the results. This is incredibly impressive. Imagine making a Hulk-style character dance to any trending song. I have seen shorts like this on YouTube go viral, and creators are pulling massive views from this type of content. Let us try another example. I am uploading this image I created with Nano Banana Pro, then adding this reference video. After generation, you can see that the character copies the exact movements and facial expressions from the source clip. This is a major breakthrough when it comes to controlling AI character motion, something that has always been difficult to achieve through text prompts alone. As you can see, Clipfly is truly an all-in-one platform where you can create videos, images, music, edit your projects, and write scripts all in one place. Make sure to use the link in the description below and try out the newest features, especially the AI movie generator and motion control. If this workflow helped you, like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the video on screen where I show you how to access all the latest models for free. See you in the next one.